The topic starts in the word insurtech, right? On the one side you have insurance, on the other side you have technology. Being an insurer without considering or without having reliability as at the core of what you do is basically impossible. On the tech side, it applies equally, right? This applies for any technology company. Any tech that is not reliable will, on the one side, not attract any customers or any partners, but will also just not succeed in the market. So the question is, how do you create reliability in your business model, also as part of your values and your understanding as a company? I think the core part of this is actually the team, right? The way you do business, and the way you do business is via a team. And I think at Element we have built actually an exceptional team of experts across all different functions, starting on the governance side, where again in a regulated insurance world, this is where reliability starts, on the governance, on the risk, on the compliance side. But also then on the business side, the team around insurance product, around the core functions in finance and controlling and so on, really has done this job, and they come with a lot of experience, and they've done this many years before, and are really experts in their field and bring this to the table at Element. Even when looking at insurance or the wider insurtech space in general, I'm convinced that reliability needs to be at the core of what you do. The vision for Element is the seamless delivery of insurance solutions to our partner. So the core of what we do is about delivery, right? And delivery concerns of course a wide variety of things, right? It looks at how do you integrate, how do you manage a partner within the project, what kind of counterpart are you with him, how do you communicate with him, and how are you a regulatory partner for this relationship. Reliability is in no way an option that you can not fulfill successfully.
Well, first of all, so reliability, I think, is one of the core requirements to be successful in our B2B business as an insurtech. And why? It's pretty easy, because our mission is to deliver or to seamlessly deliver insurance solutions to our business partners and ultimately to their clients. So, of course, these business partners will demand that our solutions will be 100% reliable. If we are not reliable, we are not successful in the market. Reliability applies to the entire value chain of our solutions, and this on the one hand of course includes our business and insurance solutions, and at the same time the technical solutions we provide. So if I take a look more on the business and insurance side of our solution, and especially for my areas of responsibility, let me give you some examples. It is about the reliability of our products. So our products need to be transparent and very clear to the customer, and we need to be able to deliver them really off the shelf and really have a solution at hand when the partner asks. The second thing is about service and claims management. So this is really the proof of our business. So when the partner and the client or the customer asks us and has a need or a claim, we need to be reliable. Meaning we need to offer a clear and transparent communication channel, and we need to have a reliable answer and reaction to the needs of our partners and clients.
At the most basic level, when you insure yourself against something, you want that insurance to be proper, working, paying claims when there's a need. And I guess reliability is almost synonymous with insurance or assurance, if you use the old-fashioned word. If you're a B2B business like us, you work a lot with partners who are companies, who are professionals. So you deal with somebody whose job it is to produce something that is reliable with you. This can be easier if you're a retail business, because you have a lot of clients, and if in one instance you fail, maybe you don't fail in all of them. We have to make it count every single time. So I think reliability for a B2B business is of a different nature. Well, I guess what comes to mind is, if you're talking about insurance core systems, so the heart of the IT, if you want, of a company like ours. If you have so many different partners, so many different products as we have, dozens on both sides, If the platform doesn't work, then you have a huge issue, especially as this platform not only is needed for onboarding new partners, for adding products and so on, but it's a live platform where partners conduct their business on, partly connected through API, meaning you need 99.999% uptime. So when it comes to embedded insurance, I guess reliability becomes very much connected with the brand experience of who you embed with. Every conversation, every meeting starts with the brand and ends with the brand. So I think for embedded insurance, it's almost augmented in a sense, or amplified what is true for B2B in general. You will have to be 100% dependable and reliable in your part of the value chain, because otherwise you can create a negative impact on the whole ecosystem that you're embedding in, right? Like one rotten apple spoils the whole bunch. And so therefore, I think, if anything, it's getting more important in that context.